Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show how to use Ggives on Gcash. So let's start. Ggives cannot be used to pay for any loans. Check your available credit limit and check if you are within your loan count limit. Here is you can make a payment to our Ggives partner merchants. So when at the cashier or cashier pay, choose to pay with Gcash and log in into your Gcash account. Select Ggives as your payment method and Gcash app taps installing options. Select your preferred installment plan and agree to disclosure statement that pay with Ggives. You'll be redirected to confirmation receipt for your payment purchase. Afterward, you will receive a PDF of your disclosure statement via email, which includes your payment schedule. So that's how it can work, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. If you need more help, you can visit the Gcash Help Center customer and you will find all the information there for get this. So guys, I hope this works for you and I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video.